This is the modern and intelligent production workshop of Huiben. It covers an area of 100,000 square meters. It also has a production team of nearly 300 people. They have been engaged in apparel production for nearly 20 years. There is the Textile Department here. It specializes in producing the fabric for our apparel. It can produce over 30 tons per day. The Cutting Department. Be responsible for processing fabrics into garment pieces. The Intelligent Hanging and Sewing Workshop. It can produce tens of thousands of pieces of apparel every day. The Printing Department. Be responsible for creating various printing effects. Quality Inspection Department. Ensure the quality is up to standard. Rear Service Department. Be responsible for the packaging, shipping, and warehousing of goods. Everything we produce, from raw materials to finished products, will undergo strict inspections. We always believe that being responsible for the products is the greatest respect for the customers.